Good day and pax at bonum. Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble an audio-video connector. Let us start. So the following are the tools and materials. The first one is the soldering iron with its stand and of course the wet rag. Next is the diagonal side cutter and long nose, and then the desoldering tool. So for the materials, we need a male and female RCA jack, shielded wire, solder or lead. So as you can see, there is the male and female jack. Okay, the male jack, the male RCA jack. Okay, so there is its positive, which is connected at the center or the terminal at the center, and then the outside terminal is connected to the negative terminal. Okay, next, the other one is the female jack. The same as the male jack, the center is connected to positive terminal and the longer terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, as you can see at the center, that is the positive terminal. Okay. Then the shielded wire. Okay. So actually the shielded wire contains two separate wires. Okay. So let us see. So we can remove the first insulator. Okay. We cut it around an inch. Okay. So the first wire that is exposed is the negative wire. Okay, and the other one that is still covered is the positive wire. The one on white is positive, and the first one that is exposed is the negative wire. Okay, then we also remove the insulation of the second wire. Okay, the white wire. Okay, we twist it again. Okay. So again, before we proceed to soldering, so we need to wear our safety gears. Okay, and the most important one is we wear our mask. This is to keep us safe from solder fumes. Okay. So let us continue. So make sure that your soldering iron is hot and its tip is clean and ready. So basically, when our soldering iron is not in use, so we place it on its soldering stand. Okay, so to keep us safe from burns and accident. Okay, so after twisting the wire, we apply lead or we coat the wires. So this is to facilitate a solder. Okay, so after applying or coating the wires, we fit the wire to the terminal. Okay, we cut the excess wire if there's any. Okay, so then do not forget to insert the cover. So because in reality, so when we assemble an audio video jack, so we really need to insert the cover first before we proceed on soldering. Okay, so again, wipe the soldering iron tip before we proceed with soldering. So after preparing the shielded wire, we also prepare the terminal. Why? The jack. Because later it will facilitate the easy connection between the wire and the RCA jack. Okay? So why do we need to do this? Because the wire is very small, so its insulator is easy to burn. So to facilitate quick connection, we prepare both the wire, the shielded wire, and the RCA jack terminal. Okay, so first do the connection for the negative terminals, then on the positive terminal, so we need to insert the wire to the terminal. No, you need something to hold the wire. So in my case, I use the tools around me, like the long nose pliers, or I can also use the diagonal side cutter if I need to. Okay, so after doing the connections, we may now again cut the excess wires on the terminals using diagonal side cutter. Okay, so to protect the connections, you will need to lock the wire to the jack by pressing the handle on the edge of the negative terminal. Okay, so as you can see, you can do it by pressing it with long nose pliers. See, now it's ready. No, cover the connections. Okay, guys, you're done with the female RCA jack. Okay, good luck, and when you're done, congratulations. Do the same for the male RCA jack. Thank you, and Pax et Bonum.